Lep pozdrav! Pravkar smo zaključili z ogledom Hughes centra, tukaj na sedežu Nature Sunshine. Bilo je odlično, zares videli smo ogromno zanimivih stvari. Dr. Tripp je bil odličen vodja, ki nas je vodil skozi vse prostore in nam razložil, zakaj kakšna naprava je. Povedal je odlične novice, ki jih bomo seveda bolj podrobno slišali na summitu, ki bo letos na Dunaju. Zato je pomembno, da smo tam in da iz prve roke, iz ust strokovnjaka slišimo najbolj pomembne stvari za našo prihodnost. Dr. Matthew Tripp je posnel tudi video za vas, v katerem vas bi rad pozdravil, zato vas prepuščam njegovim besedam.
Good morning. My name is Matt Tripp. I'm the Chief Scientific Officer for Nature Sunshine Synergy Worldwide. We're here today at the Hughes Center, and we are giving a tour and talking a little bit about the research that we do here, as well as some of the new products that we have in development for Synergy Worldwide. And the backdrop is our apothecary, and you can see we're proudly displaying a number of existing products. Within the next year, we will be developing new products and launching new products that I probably shouldn't be letting the cat out of the bag, but we want to focus on what we think is the most important part of health, and that is healing the gut or the GI system. So we're going to be developing products that really focus on making the gut healthy, and also some targeted care areas such as cardiovascular, even better cardiovascular type products, weight management or healthy weight management programs. We just completed a clinical study here at the Hughes Center, and we basically developed a program that has better results than any other published clinical study that we're aware of, including drug studies. So we're very excited about what we have in the bag here and what we'll be launching over the next 12 or so months. So with that, I can't tell you any more secrets, but thank you very much and hope to see you all real soon. Take care.